Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Ella from Angry Birds. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Today we're going to start with Ella's beak. First I'm going to draw a little smile, and then with this smile I'm just going to make a top part. I'm going to bring it down, and then on this side I'm going to draw an open beak, an open mouth. So we're just going to make a little V there, and there's a little beak that's open. Now we're going to draw two eyes. But Ella's head is off to the side, so the eyes is going to be in this line. So first I'm going to draw an egg shape, draw an oval, and we're going to draw another oval, a bit smaller. And now we can do the pupils, the light reflections, then a pupil, and a light reflection. So let's fill the pupils in. Now we can draw 3 eyelashes, and we can do this on the other side as well. And right above the eyelashes, eyebrows, and we can fill the eyebrows in as well. So I'll fill this one in quickly, and then on the side here I'll draw another. And now right on top I'm going to start with a feather. So I'm going to draw a little feather going out, over and back, and we're going to divide the feather, and we're going to divide it this way as well. And then right next to it I'll just draw another little feather sticking out. And now I'm going to draw Ella's body. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to make it very close to the eyebrow and all the way around. And on this side we're going to do it again, but we're going to start a bit shorter. I'm going to take it about roughly to there. So I'm going to make a little turn, a little curve to there. Now since I have that, I'm going to draw her wing on this side. So we'll draw a wing with a little finger and another finger, a smaller finger, and you can take the wing back and bring it back in like this. And we can do the same now for the other side as well. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a wing, a finger, and a finger connecting back to her body. On the front side we're going to start drawing the legs. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a series of zigzag lines, and on this side I'm going to do the same. So this is for the 2 legs, and I'll take it back like this. Then you can make a little line up, and now we're going to draw the tail feathers. So from here I'm going to go all the way up, and I'm going to draw a tail feather, and I'm going to divide this tail feather, and I'll divide it again. And on this side we're going to draw the other one, and you're just going to divide it as well, and divide it like that as well. And now right down below we're going to draw the legs. So we're going to draw the legs down, and I'm going to start with a little toe, take it back, draw the back toe, and I'm going to draw just 3 toes. And I'm going to take this back, and I'm going to connect it. And on this side, so this leg is behind this one, so we're going to connect it to the front leg, to the front foot, and we're going to draw 3 toes. 1, 2, 3 toes. And there's Ella. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.